Hello friends, Aristotle और Poetics से related 50 objective type questions and answer। आइए देखते हैं आगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू विच कंट्री डिड एरिस्टोटल बिलोंग? इसका आंसर है ए, ग्रीस। नंबर 2, व्हेन वाज एरिस्टोटल बॉर्न? आंसर बी, 384 BC। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, वेयर वाज एरिस्टोटल बॉर्न? आंसर सी, स्टेगिरस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, what was the name of Aristotle father? Answer D, Nicomachus। Question number 5, when did Aristotle enter Plato Academy? Answer A, 367 BC। Question number 6, what was the name of Aristotle's wife? Answer B, Pythias। Question number 7, after the death of Plato, Aristotle left for Amos to live with Hernias, who was? Answer C, the adopted father of his wife। Question number 8, by whom was Hernias killed? Answer D, Persians। Question number 9, in a grave of Apollo Lycian, Aristotle opened his school, the name of which was? Answer D, none of these। Question number 10, Aristotle became tutor to Alexander, who was the son of? Answer B, King Philip। Question number 11, where did Aristotle die? Answer C, Chalcis। Question number 12, when did Aristotle die? Answer D, 322 BC। Question number 13, who was the teacher of Aristotle? Answer A, Plato। Question number 14, about 320 BC, Aristotle wrote a short treatise on poetry which is commonly known as? Answer B, Poetics। Question number 15, which work does not belong to Aristotle? Answer C, Republic। Question number 16, like the Poetics, which work is the essence of Aristotle's critical thoughts? Answer D, Rhetoric। Question number 17, in Poetics, Aristotle refers to mythos. What does the word mythos stand for? Answer A, plot। Question number 18, which method takes up the poetic method of Aristotle as a strictly pragmatic and non-exclusive commitment? Answer B, Chicago School। Question number 19, Aristotle generally refers to mimesis, which means? Answer C, imitation। Question number 20, which is the soul of tragedy according to Aristotle? Answer D, plot। Question number 21, Aristotle holds without action there cannot be tragedy, there may be one without? Answer A, character। Question number 22, which is more important than character? Answer B, action। Question number 23, what is the meaning of catharsis according to Aristotle? Answer C, purgation of excess of pity and fear। Question number 24, Aristotle's theory of poetic imitation was provoked by? Answer D, Plato। Question number 25, which is not the element of tragedy? Answer A, nature। Question number 26, which of the three units does Aristotle emphasize? Answer B, unity of action। Question number 27, what is the end of poetry according to Aristotle? Answer C, to give a certain refined pleasure। Question number 28, which is not the work of Aristotle? Answer D, logical art। Question number 29, which of the following is not the work of Aristotle? Answer A, educational thinking। Question number 30, which of the following is the work of Aristotle? Answer B, rhetoric। Question number 31, how many chapters are there in the Poetics? Answer C, 25। Question number 32, the miracle of the Poetics is that it contains so much that is of permanent and universal interest. Who comments? Answer D, Atkins। Question number 33, about Poetics, who comments the book is of permanent value as a mere intellectual achievement, as a store of information about Greek literature, and as an original or first-hand statement of what we may call the classical view of artistic criticism? Answer A, Gilbert Murray। Question number 34, but the theory of tragedy is worked out with such insight and comprehension that it becomes the type of theory of literature. Who comments? Answer B, Abercrombie। Question number 35. Aristotle defines tragedy as an imitation of. Answer C. Action. Question number 36. According to Aristotle, the action for plot of a tragedy must be of a certain magnitude. What does the word magnitude stand for? Answer D. Size or length. Question number 37. Aristotle points out that tragedy should be in a language beautified in different parts with different kinds of embellishment. What does the word embellishment stand for? Answer A. Verse and song. Question number 38. As regards the function of tragedy, Aristotle points out that it is to present the scenes of. Answer B. Pity and fear. Question number 39. How many formative elements does Aristotle present regarding the tragedy? Answer C. 6. Question number 40. What kind of language should be used in tragedy according to Aristotle? Answer D. Dignified and elevated. Question number 41. Aristotle did not invent the term imitation, but he took it from. Answer A. Plato. Question number 42. While Plato equated poetry with painting, Aristotle equates poetry with. Answer B. Music. Question number 43. Who points out that poetry is theories removed from reality and it is the mother of lies? Answer C. Plato. Question number 44. Plato regards the process of imitation as the copy of some event or character, while Aristotle regards imitation as. Answer D. Creative process. Question number 45. Which truth is higher than historical truth? Answer A. Poetic truth. Question number 46. The precise rule is that the magnitude should be whatever is required for a change to occur from bad fortune to good or from good fortune to bad, though a series of incidents that are in accordance with probability or necessity. Who comments? Answer B. Hardison. Question number 47. Regarding hamartia, Aristotle points out that it is. Answer C. An error committed by tragic hero. Question number 48. Who comments it is a tragedy brought about not by the deliberate purpose of some evil events, nor yet by mere chance, but by human error? Answer D. Atkins. Question number 49. About poetics, who comments it is still alive because it is a study of a great art by a peculiarly acute, learned and methodical critic. It is the first work of literary criticism. It is written by the world's first scientist. Answer A. Hamilton Fife. Question number 50. Which work belongs to Aristotle? Answer A. Nicomachean Ethics. Thank you for watching this video.